In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Airbnb search results by price, ensuring that you can quickly find stays that fit your budget. Let's get started first by navigating to the Airbnb website using your preferred web browser. Once the site loads, you'll notice a menu icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see an option to log in or sign up. Select this option. If you've already signed up or have an account with Airbnb, you'll find it straightforward to log in. For today, we'll proceed by selecting Continue with Google, a quick and seamless way to access your Airbnb account using your Google credentials. Choose the account you wish to use, and you're in. With the formalities out of the way, click on the Where field, a prominent search bar typically located at the top center of the page. Here, type in your desired travel destination, the city or place where you're planning your next adventure. As you type, a drop-down with suggestions will appear. Select the appropriate one. Now that you have chosen your destination, we need to set the dates for your trip. Click on Check In and a calendar will pop up. Navigate through the calendar to choose your start date, the day you plan to arrive. Simply click on your preferred date. Similarly, you'll do the same for checkout, picking the date you intend to leave. Now click on Who to specify how many people will be traveling with you. You can add the number of guests that will be staying, ensuring accommodations fit everyone comfortably. Ready for the search? Hit the Search button. This will bring back a list of available accommodations based on your entered criteria. But since we're focusing on sorting these listings by price, let's fine-tune our search. Look for the Filters button, usually on the top of your result list, and click it. Scroll through the filter options until you find the Price Range section. This area allows you to define the budget for your search. Adjust the slider or manually enter the minimum and maximum prices you're willing to pay per night. This helps to zero in on options that meet your financial requirements. Finally, with everything set, click on the Show button. This action will refresh your search results to only display listings within your defined price range, offering you a curated list of options suited to your budget. There you go. You've successfully sorted Airbnb search results by price, making it easier to find budget-friendly accommodations for your next trip. Thank you for watching, and happy travels!